so excited to share Rongrong's February release. In honor of Black History Month, she has designed this exclusive box, Her Story Blooms. And it is stunning. I love how this turned out. It is so beautiful. Welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. Without further ado, let's dive in and take a look at this box. And as we look at it, I will go ahead and share details when this will be available. The box does come wrapped in a shrink wrap. On the back of the box, it does have all the contents on there. Unapologetically growing, and I'm loving the colors in here. So pretty. Look at this. This is so exciting. And I am on Rongrong's design team, so this, of course, I knew was coming, and it turned out so beautiful. There is a set of 12 affirmations in here. We'll look at everything in detail after I take it out. There's this notepad. So pretty. We've got PET tape in here, washi in here. As you could see, I have not even unwrapped these items yet. I did look at this one though. This is a 19-page hand illustrated premium sticker kit, which if you are familiar with Rongrong's new monthly subscription kits, the design of that is very similar to what we have here. I am so excited about this journal. Isn't that beautiful? The Garden of Sisterhood never fades. So beautiful. Now that we've looked at all of the items, I just want to flip this around and show you the back here. We've got a what's included, and I love that it's just like a nice square box. Okay, let's take a look at the journal first. This beautiful girl on here, this illustration. I'm loving the colors in here. We've got these beautiful florals. This one did come shrink wrapped, I believe. There were a couple of things that I like unpackaged as far as like out of the shrink wrap. I love this. It's just very simply stated, legacy in full bloom. And we open it up to a lined note pages, and you have at the top here where you could circle the day of the week and then write in the date here, and then it's all lined paper. I love that. Lined paper is so nice and handy to have. And there are some ribbons that are tucked in here, little page finding ribbons that of course match beautifully with the book. Isn't it pretty? And then we're come all the way to the back here. It just has a very simple back inside, and then we have the detailing on the back. So pretty. I love it. Let's go ahead and look at the sticker pack. I'm super excited. Let's get it out of here. Now, this whole box is releasing Friday, February 6th at 11 a.m. Central Time, and I am an affiliate, so if you do decide to purchase this, I greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link, which you will find down below, along with a discount code that will save you 10%. Okay, Her Story Blooms journaling kit, 19-page hand illustrated premium sticker kit. Comes with 5 functional sheets, so that's going to be paper stickers, 4 clear decorative pages of stickers, 2 washi paper stickers, and then 4 journaling papers and 4 vellum. I love like all of the purples and the mauves and the gold tones, neutral tones. We've got some navy in there and a beautiful black girls. Love, love, love it. Okay, we've got some functional boxes in here. And then we have another functional page here of headings for today, work, goals, to do, personal, appointment, and then some little dots here, bullet points. And we've got days of the week. There are 5 sets here, so that way you have enough really to use for the whole month, one for the month and then one for each week of the month. And then you have your 2 sets of numbers that you would need. And then there's some little dots here, more little bullet points. We've got some alphabet stickers for those of us that love to just use alphabet stickers, create your own wording, whatever you like. This long sticker here. This is all paper, and these are all kiss cut. And they're so close. Look at how close they are. So they always look really, really nice whenever you like put a word together. You're not getting a lot of like of that white edge around there. All right, now we're into some clear stickers. Unapologetically growing. So beautiful. Love that. Rooted in strength, blooming in grace, watered by wisdom. So pretty. Her story is still unfolding. I love this page of just like the arts in here. Legacy in full bloom. And now we're on to the washi. So these are pages of strips of washi. So this is actually washi paper here. Love that. Those are really pretty. I love it. Love, love, love the combination. Her story blooms. Beautiful. Oh, look at how pretty she is. I think she might be my favorite girl in this book. And you know what? Let me grab the bottom because this is vellum. So I want you to be able to see it more clearly. There we go. So pretty. All right. Another vellum. So there's the 4 vellum that I'm sharing with you right now. So you do so many different things with this kit. And those flowers, I love those flowers. Abstract. And then now we're on to the paper, the journaling papers. So pretty. And you have to let me know if you have subscribed to her monthly subscription kits because the design of this pack is very similar to those. And I have really been enjoying those, using them in everything. And then this last one here, so pretty. And then this was the back page here that I took to use as a backing. So lots and lots of things in here, 19 pages, so many things to use in your planners, in your journals, in the new journal that you get like in the box sets. I am really excited to go ahead and like do some plan with me's in here. I just love this color combination so much. I think it's going to make some really beautiful pages. So I will definitely be doing that. Not in today's video today. I just want to share all of the items in the box, take my time sharing it all with you because the artwork is so beautiful. There's so much time that is put into putting any of her products together. And this is just such a special product. I don't have the price point of this box, but once I have that, I will be putting it down below in the description. This pad, I love that. Daily Bloom, nice paper. And then we have a set of 12 affirmation cards. So we've got the one side is all the same design and artwork. And then on the other side, there's different messages on here. I carry generations of grace. We are the flowers of their dreams. Oh, that's so pretty. With the gold foil detailing on there. Peace blooms when I honor my story. My growth is a celebration. I shine from roots to crown. The garden of sisterhood never fades. I am both the seed and the sunlight. I am becoming everything I was meant to be. I love her. She's so pretty. I bloom so others can too. My light cannot be dimmed. I am rooted in strength. I give myself grace to grow. So beautiful. I love the way that these turned out. They are stunning. These will look beautiful in your journal, in your planners, you know, sitting on your desk, you know, just a beautiful affirmation cards. I love that. Okay, now we have the washi. We'll look at that one next. And then we will take a look at the PET tape. Okay, let's see here. if we've got 4 washi here. They're all different sizes. Let's see if I can open this. I always struggle with any washi tape. It's like my thing. It's not the product, believe me, it's the user. Okay. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Okay, I really want to swatch these out because look at how beautiful these are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the journal and I'm going to actually come to the back so you can see the journal lays open flat. Okay, so this one is a 45 millimeter washi. Look at how pretty that is. Wait, I've got lines here, so now I feel like I have to make sure I lay it straight. That is really pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and then this one is a 30 millimeter. And this one is a 20 millimeter. And then we have the 10 millimeter. All right, so here they all are. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Trying to put them. There we go. Aren't those beautiful? I love them. Oh my gosh. And if you have been like subscribed to me for a while, watched my videos, you know I love creating waterfall pages. And oh my gosh, that's going to be so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so those are the washi. Let's go ahead and take a look at the PET tape. There's like a little perforated, but I can never seem to find it. Oh, I found it. Yay. Okay. There we go. That was much easier. Now these do have like a little adhesive tape here to keep them closed. I always recommend a needle nose tweezer like what I have. It's like a really nice tool to have. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this PET tape. And if this is the first time that you are seeing Rongrong's PET tape, it is all matte finished. It is all kiss cut, so you do not have to worry about cutting these stickers out. They're already cut for you, and they are very like saturated in color because what she does is she has the factory lay down white ink before laying the image down on there. So that way you're getting just a lot of like vibrant colors in here. This is really, really long. This is her 3.0 version of PET tape, which she recently changed up. So we're getting a lot more designs before we start to see a repeat here. There are going to be, once we get to the end, which I think we're getting right here, this is where it starts to repeat. There are 3 of these strips on this roll. So lots and lots of stickers to play with. Oh my gosh, love that. Oh my goodness, it's so many of them, right? Wow. All right, here it is. Everything that comes in Rongrong's box. Her Story Blooms special edition for February, Black History Month. This journaling box is beautiful with 6 items in here, and they are all like top-notch luxury items. You will thoroughly enjoy this box. It is absolutely stunning. And if you do purchase this box, a small portion of that is going to be donated to a nonprofit organization called Black Girls Smile. And this organization aims to empower young Black women to lead mentally healthy lives through tailored resources, advocacy, and community building. I'm so excited that there's a part of this purchase that is being donated and for such an amazing cause because mental health is so important for everybody and especially for young people. You know, if you can address the importance of mental health at a young age, it's purely beneficial. It's just so important. If you do decide to purchase this, it is releasing Friday, February 6th at 11 a.m. Central Time. Now, I am an affiliate and I greatly appreciate if you are shopping for this. If you please consider using my affiliate link, you will find that down below. There is no additional cost to you whenever you use an affiliate link. Thank you so much for thinking about using an affiliate link for this purchase and or the next purchase that you make. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the contents in this box. We've got our stickers and our washi and our PET. There's a journal. This little notepad is going to look so pretty on my desk. I'm so excited about this. It's such a beautiful, beautiful collection. The aesthetic is gorgeous. I am really, really happy with it. So drop a comment down below. Give me your thoughts. I would always love to hear your feedback. And I definitely pass things on to Rongrong because, as I said, I am on her design team. So it does not get fallen on deaf ears. I hear you. I see it. I make notes of things, what people are enjoying. And, we want to, of course, create products that you are going to absolutely love. So please drop that down below in the comments below and make sure that you are subscribed to me. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I do my next video, which of course I'm going to be playing with all of these items. And it's going to be so much fun. All right, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you watch this video all the way through till the end, leave me a bouquet of flowers emoji. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.